10 excuses for why you're not getting walking in right now, this week, and 10 solutions to make it happen. 1, I don't have enough time with my busy schedule. Okay, listen, unless you're waking up at 4 a.m. and immediately starting to work and going all through the day until midnight when you climb in bed right then and go to bed for 4 hours and repeat the process, you have time to make this happen. It's just not a priority. And that's okay. We just have to find a way to make it that priority. We can do all kinds of things, scheduling in 5 minutes right when you wake up. We could walk in place, treadmill desk, standing desk. We could take calls on the fly. There are all kinds of ways to put this in your busy schedule. It's just a matter of making it a priority and doing it. Number 2, I'm too tired after work to go for a walk. Totally get it. We're drained by the end of the day. So let's try walking in the morning or during lunch breaks when you have more energy, or just like the previous one, just scheduling in little snippets throughout the day. That way you don't fight fatigue when the evening happens. But I encourage you to lean into that fatigue and go for that walk and notice how much more refreshed you are at the end of the day. 3, the weather's too hot or too cold for walking. Okay, first of all, just dress appropriately. If it's too cold, put on a jacket. If it's too hot, wear a t-shirt. I get that weather gets in the way, but there's also indoor walking options. You could drop by a gym, the closest one to you, $10 a month, go hop on the treadmill. You could go to a shopping mall where you can just walk around and be like those cool people that show up before 9 a.m. Or you could do it at home, walk in place, walk up the stairs, standing desk, treadmill desk, all of these things can happen. Number 4, I have young children and I just cannot find the time. All right, involving your children in walking activities may be the solution for this, but also it sets yourself up for an awesome future with your kids because you get time spent with the kids, you set good habits for them, you set things up for their own success, and you model great behavior. It is a win-win. Going for family walks, grabbing a stroller, all possible activities for you. Number 5, walking is too boring. Yeah, I actually get this one. It's my nemesis as well. Walking is just it. So listen to music, podcasts, audiobooks. Find a place where you enjoy the view, get in the woods, go for a hike, grab a family member, grab a friend, turn it into something that is just a part of your enjoying the activity instead of just something that's boring to you. Number 6, I don't have the right shoes or attire for walking. Yes, if you're walking in fancy loafers or heels, this can be more difficult. Sometimes just grabbing a pair of shoes that you can bring with you in the car while you're at work so you can quickly change into them and knock out that walk, or just investing in some comfortable walking shoes or suitable clothing to make it all more comfortable in the future. I recognize this requires more spend, but finding little ways to invest in yourself is important for your future. I have a long commute and I'm already tired when I get home. Now, if this is safe, just getting off public transportation one stop earlier and walking the rest of the way home can be useful. Also, once again, scheduling your activity, your walks, your exercise in the morning, and then building in walking throughout your day, steps throughout your day, standing desk, treadmill desk. Next one, I have a lot of household chores to do. I got so many things to do around the house. The last thing I want to do is thinking about going out for a walk. So why don't we incorporate walking into these chores? Maybe add some extra steps, maybe taking breaks to just walk around the house, maybe just saying you'll go the long route when you're doing yard work, walking around. That can also apply to your day, parking farther away, taking the stairs, all ways that you can just leak it into your day. It just takes a mindset shift. Number 9, walking feels like a waste of time and I could be doing something more productive. Whew, this one gets a lot of people. Use walking as an opportunity for multitasking. It's one of the few times that multitasking is actually productive because then you can listen to educational podcasts, you could make phone calls, you can take meetings on the go. You could also just view this for other reasons besides just exercise. It's for your mental health, it's for de-stressing, it's for coming back to work later after feeling refreshed. Number 10, I prefer other forms of exercise over walking. Totally cool. Find activities that combine walking with your favorite exercises, right? Hiking, dancing, group fitness. Just know that at some point you probably will have to shift back to getting steps in, because if you were at 2,000 steps, no matter how much you do all those other things, it is very difficult to make progress happen on goals related to health, wellness, weight loss, fat loss. I hope some of these are a hit for you and you want to start putting them in. Comment below with the things that you're going to start trying immediately.